Hello students, let's study the 9th chapter of 10th CBSE, some applications of trigonometry. First of all, let's look at the introduction of this chapter. Trigonometry is primarily a branch of mathematics that deals with triangles, mostly right triangles. In particular, the ratios and relationships between the triangles, sides and angles. Let us see how trigonometric applications are used in our life. The astronomers have used this trigonometry, to instance, to calculate distances from the Earth to the planets and stars. Trigonometry is also used in geography and in navigation. The knowledge of trigonometry is used to construct maps, determine the position of an island in relation to the longitudes and latitudes. Next one is heights and distances. Line of sight. Line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. In the above figure, the line AC drawn from the eye of the student to the top of the minar is called the line of sight. Angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the point viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above the horizontal level. The student is looking at the top of the minar. The angle BAC, so formed by the line of sight with the horizontal, is called the angle of elevation of the top of the minar from the eye of the student. Angle of depression. The angle of depression is congruent to the angle of elevation. This assumes the object is close enough to the observer so that the horizontals for the observer and the object are effectively parallel. The angle of depression of a point on the object being viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point is below the horizontal level. That means the case when we lower our head to look at the point being viewed. Now let's look at the example number 1. A tower stands vertically on the ground. From a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. And the answer is, first, let us draw a simple diagram to represent the problem. Here, AB represents the tower. CB is the distance of the point from the tower and angle ACB is the angle of elevation. We need to determine the height of the tower. That means AB. Also, ACB is a triangle right angled at B. To solve the problem, we choose the trigonometric ratio than 60 degree, as the ratio involves AB and BC. Now, tan 60 degree is equal to AB divided by BC. That means root 3 is equal to AB divided by 15. So, AB is equal to 15 root 3. Hence, the height of the tower is 15 root 3 meters. Now, let's look at some important points to be remembered. The line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. The angle of elevation of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it is above the horizontal level. That means the case when we raise our head to look at the object. The angle of depression of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it is below the horizontal level. That means the case when we lower our head to look at the object. The height or length of an object or the distance between two distant objects can be determined with the help of trigonometric ratios. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.